Hey subbies, I'm going to be sharing a tutorial with you today how to create a post on Instagram. The first step you need to do is to start your screen recording, because I'm going to be showing you right on the screen next to me exactly how I do this. You'll open up Instagram. You'll click on the plus button to create a new post, and it'll pull up all your recent pictures. Click on the photo that you want to add. Click next. I was going to put the Claridon effect on it, but I'm just going to stick with the normal photo that I've just brightened in the photo editing app. And now you'll create a caption for your photo. And after you write your caption, you can put hashtags, which also makes your photos easier to find. For this one, I'm going to put owls, owl, decor, home decor, decoration, home decorated, decor inspo, decorating, decorating, inspo. And another thing you can do is tag people, or in this case, if there is a company that you have in the picture, you can tag that company as well. It helps also get more visibility to your post. After you have the hashtags and your caption done on your photo, all you'll hit then is OK. And you can also switch the toggles for Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr to have it also share there as well. And if you want to, you can also put your location for where this picture is taken to make it also more easily able to be found when people search hashtags and search locations. And then you just hit share. And that is all there is to creating your first post on Instagram. I hope this has been a lot of help to you. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the amazing fun content that I have to share with each and every one of you sensational subbies. Make sure you also follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict, my Instagram is Comedy Creation. And I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on my YouTube channel. Can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.